Hello, I'm George. Today I'm going to be making animals with these square magnets. This is a 10 by 10 by 10. 1,000 of these cubes, little ones. And here is 10. Here is 100. And here, the whole thing is 1,000. So, let's get to making animals. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is make a building. So first, I'm going to divide that into half. Here. Put the other part aside. And let's start making. So here, I'm going to divide that. So this is 20, this side. 20, one side, and there are 10 of them. So here's 200. And then here is another 200. Divide that by half. That is going to be 100. Here, 100. So I'm going to make a base. 200. And then I'm going to make some walls. This thing is tall, so I thought I could put it back down. And actually, we're supposed to make a bridge. So here's a bridge. tall. So here is the final product. It looks very nice. So here are the two things I made. This is building, which is bulletproof. Well, I think so. And here is a telephone. That is very good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos and check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. I'll see you next time.